fucking jump.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We got this light on and get you guys a little bit of box action. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Low, Noble Green, Pollard White, and Black. I think they're calling this one the Jordan Noble 1 Green Toe Lows. Like this shoe myself. Was only able to get one pair in my size. And then I just had to get these, what is this, 11 and a half for staring. I'm going to probably list a couple. StockX and GOAT. I got some 9s, so forth. A lot of people might like this low top. I got a couple of the brown ones. Poor man's Travis Scott's too. Probably going to be next. I don't get too busy. You got some light action. The materials on this shoe aren't bad. So far so good. Looking at it, everything seems okay. Looks like the heel has a bit of problems. But still shouldn't be too bad of a shoe. Nike just needs to close up the quality control, but it's nothing to write home about. Nothing that will make you not want to wear the shoe. Keep the shoe. Let me give you guys a little top action. So you can see the little Jordy. So it's all about that green toe, green bottom. Like I said, materials aren't the best, but they aren't the worst. They're like in the middle. Very good shoe, though. Very good shoe. I don't know why they didn't release this shoe in the summer, spring. It hasn't been too cold, so I guess if you're on the East Coast or if you're in a state where it doesn't really get cold, you can still wear the shoe. But on the East Coast, you have to get it out now. I don't know if you want to wear these when the winter rolls in. Give you guys one more side view. Alright, let's get on with the next shoe, guys. Alright, guys, let's get on with this next shoe. Let me get you some box action. This shoe is the Woman's Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort. Gray fog, celestine, blue, and white. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. Give you a brown Nike box on this weird paper. I don't know why they put the zooms in this paper, but that's what they do. Each shoe comes wrapped. I don't know if they give you extra laces, because I don't want to unwrap the other shoe, because I hate the paper. Not a bad colorway. All the materials on the shoe seem to be pretty outstanding. If you like the Jordan 1 Zooms, it's like some suede or nubuck back here. Hang tag. It's like a stone wash material. All suede or nubuck. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's a pretty nice shoe. Got a bunch of these. I'm putting some online in case any of you guys want some. Check the link down below. Not a bad bottom. I like the Jordan Zooms. They're pretty comfortable if you like a zoom unit. Some of them I don't like what happens to the inside. So I put like a Dr. Scholl's pad in there too. And some of the insides get kind of crazy. Like I said, Jordan is coming back at everybody with the Jumpman hang tags. 360, guys. I recommend if you can fit this shoe, get it. It's a woman's shoe. So, if you're small feet gang, or if you're a woman, you should be able to get these no problem. You might even be able to still find them in stores. I see a lot of, what's the name of that store? Snipes has them in stock. Okay, guys, one more side view. Let me see, show you guys what it's going to be like once on your foot if you leave the hang tag. If you don't. Alright, let's get on with the next shoe, guys. Alright, guys, let's get on with this last shoe. Got this light on. Focus. Cut the light out so I can see it. Alright, this is the Air Jordan KO 1 Storm Blue, black and white, 2021 edition. But it just came out in 2020. I'm sorry if it came out in 2020. I think it came out before. Got the red ones. I have an every Jordan KO. I think I might be missing one pair, but I think I just got it. As I said, I want to be finished with this. Return this for you guys. A lot of people don't like this colorway. It says not bad to me. So you get black laces in the shoe. Get an extra pair of blue, extra pair of white laces. The whole shoe is made out of canvas material. That's what I really like about Jordan KOs. I didn't like about the Billie Eilish's, or the Billie Eilish. That her shoe was some type of synthetic leather. It really pissed me off, but I still got 2 pairs. So, also I have 3 pairs of this shoe. Like I said, Jordan KO's been one of my favorite Jordans. I like to always keep extras to last me through the years. This shoe stands up pretty good through the years, though. Like I said, all canvas material. Move the shoe back a little bit, guys. You see the Jordan swoosh. Upper is a little synthetic leather, it feels like. And again, 2 extra pairs of laces. Same on the back, leather upper. To the canvas material. Normal Jordan bottom. Same. To a blue standard Jordan bottom. And nobody knows what the KO stands for, but like I said, this was the Jordan that I could afford when I first started getting Jordans when I was young. And it lasted a while, so really made me like KOs. After that, I started buying them before the pandemic came. You could pick up Jordan KOs for pretty cheap. So I was able to amass the whole collection, but sadly now you can't do it anymore. I see some of them are going for so much. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe on this video. Let me know what shoes you want to see next. Let me know what shoes you're buying. We're getting down to the time of the year where Jordan should be releasing a lot of bangers. I wish you guys the best of luck. I have all the shoes that are coming out this year. So I'll probably put them in a video coming up. I got more shoes sitting right next to me to unbox. But you guys make sure you stay safe out there. Take it easy and have a nice one.
Everybody fucking jump!